बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद. Today I would like to present paper on the topic of marriage of the Prophet, peace be upon him, to Aisha, and some misconception. It will promote open dialogue and discussion about the marriage of the Prophet to Sayyida Aisha. It will share correct information and remove misunderstanding. Dear audience, introduction. Aisha bint Abu Bakr was born in Mecca around the 607 CE. She was the daughter of Abu Bakr, Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, closest friend and the first caliph after the Prophet's death, who belonged to the same tribe as the Prophet, the Quraysh. She grew up as a Muslim, having been brought up by Muslim parents. Her mother Ruman and her father Abu Bakr. She was engaged the Prophet an early age, but their marriage did not take place until after the Hijrah. Marriage to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Aisha's marriage to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stands as important chapter in both her life and annals of Islamic history. According to the narrations, a divine revelation guided the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to marry Aisha. Underscoring the significance of their union, this divine command not only sanctified their relationship but also solidified Aisha's role as an esteemed wife and confidant to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The misconception about marriage. A girl at a young age is not capable of becoming a wife, and having children is not possible. So why would getting married be suitable choice? Enemies of Islam, especially people from the Western world, blaspheme against the sacred status of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, due to this matter. Those who object to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, marriage to Aisha should note that marriage at the age of is also permitted in other religions. Christianity. According to the Catholic Encyclopedia of Christian Jews, Mother Hazrat Maryam's marriage at the age of 12 to 99 years old, Joseph happened. Number 2, Saint Augustine, who died in 315 AD, was 10 years old when he married the girl. Before 1983 AD, Catholic canon law allowed its priests to marry girls whose age is 12 years. In Hinduism holy book, Manusmriti, it is written about the propriety of girl marriage and age. A girl should be married before she reaches adulthood. Manusmriti, chapter number 18, Gautama, verse number 21. In the Encyclopedia of Religion and Ethics, Manusmriti mentioned fixed age for men and women. For example, a boy is 30 years old and girl is 12 years old, or a boy is 24 years old and girl is 8 years old. According to the teaching of Mahabharata, the marriageable age for Hindu girl is mentioned as 10 years and 7 years, and later Shalokar indicates the minimum age for marriage is 4 to 6 years. There is significant evidence that these practices were not only in writing but also put into practice. A critical investigation regarding objection raised about the Prophet Muhammad's marriage to Aisha. In the context of the Arab environment during the time of the Holy Prophet, the marriage of young girls was culturally accepted. The opponents of the Prophet sought various ways to defame him. Despite their attempts to label him a magician, liar, and madman, they did not lay objection to Hazrat Aisha's marriage. Answer: Imam Shafii Rahmatullah narrates an eyewitness incident in which he saw a woman who became a grandmother at the age of 21. This woman experienced menstruation at the age of 9, and in the 10th year she gave birth to a girl. The girl's menstruation also occurred similarly, resulting in her becoming grandmother at the age of 21. Fathul Bari by Ibn Hajar, volume number 5, page number 277. Next answer: a news report from India stated that a girl under the age of 7 gave birth at Victoria Hospital in Delhi, as published in the newspaper Madina Bijnor in July 1934. Conclusion: the concept of the early marriage in the European societies was prevalent until the early 19th century, with the tradition of marrying at the age of 10. A Washington Post article by Sarah Buddha suggests that even during this period, sexual relationship at the age of 9 were established in the Western world. Similarly, a BBC report mentioned a case from Spain where a young girl associated with Spain gave birth at the age of 10, causing astonishment in society. It is evident from these facts that morally or socially, such marriages are not commendable. This does not only imply advocating for early marriage in Islamic law, but if such marriages occur with the consent of both parties due to a specific reason, there is no objection